Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to remove the background of an image with Pixlr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Pixlr website right here at pixlr.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page of the website where we can get started with logging in. So to get started with creating your images, you need to go ahead and create an account in the upper right corner if you do not already have one. If you have one, just log in, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where we can get started with the AI photo editor. So let's go ahead guys and open up the AI photo editor right here by clicking on it, which is going to open it up in a new page. And now we can get started with adding an image that we want to use. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this image right here that I have added from my PC, and now I can get started with removing the background. Well guys, basically to remove the background is very easy. All we have to do is just look at the left side of the screen right here where we can see all the tools we can access, such as arrange, crop, cutout, and so on. And we want to go ahead and select the cutout option. So let's select cutout guys, and now we can get started with cutting out the background, but we can use the AI cutout option right here. So AI can do it for us. Let's click on it. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, it's going to cut out our background, and now we only have our flamingo left or whatever object we had. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.